welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Again, thank you so much for being here. If you are returning, welcome back. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. We hope you could consider sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. Guys, don't forget we have quite a few different giveaways going on. They're both, or not both, it's like 4 actually, all going to be linked down below. So definitely check those out if you have not already. Otherwise, as you can see from the title down below, we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the October 2019 MunchieCrate. What is MunchieCrate, you ask? Well, I'm going to tell you, because it is a fairly new subscription. It is a monthly box full of delicious snacks sure to make the munchies go away, shipped directly to you. So they have 2 different subscription levels. They have the MunchieCrate, which is $14.99, and that's going to have an assortment of about 15 snacks. They have the Mighty MunchieCrate, which is $19.99, and that's for when you're really hungry. They have you covered with over 20 or more snacks. They do charge $5 for shipping for both boxes. It does ship the 4th of every month. Your first order will ship immediately. And they have has a delicious assortment of snacks, and it's going to be snacks you grew up on, so snacks that you recognize, and fast delivery. So I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. But let's get in here and see what the MunchieCrate is all about and how they satisfy your munchies. Says, Happy Halloween. All right. Well, I see all kinds of goodness in here. So, if you have the munchies, they definitely look like they're gonna have it covered. All right, so we're just gonna start. So we have some Bold Party Blend Savory Chex Mix, which is one of my faves. We have the traditional Savory Chex Mix. That's one of Christopher's favorites. Oh, and I love these. The Dipsy Doodles, the wavy corn chips. Those are so good. Then we have, do we have 2 of these? Oh, they're different. We have, these are little sandwich cookies. We have a strawberry cream and orange cream, both of which sound yum. And we have a couple honey buns. We have a couple little packs of Cheez-Its. The M&Ms. Yeah. And Skittles. We have some Wise original potato chips. A package of Starburst. Yum. And then we have, this is some sort of Hostess cake, and for the life of me, it just slipped my mind which one this is. So if you know, let me know, because it like literally just went away. But we have a little Hostess cake, and then, let's see. Y'all, oh my gosh, I've not had one of these in forever, but we have a little mini moon pie here and a vanilla one. Y'all, I haven't had a moon pie in forever, and yum. Y'all know they're good. Y'all can't even act like they're not. You know they're good. So that was everything in this MunchieCrate. Y'all, this is like crazy good as far as the variety. I mean, they literally covered any type of craving you could have, which is amazing. So that is the October 2019 MunchieCrate. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like I said, they literally have it all covered. And I know one little boy that's going to be happy with some Skittles and some Chex Mix. So, and one mama that's going to be really happy with a moon pie. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one. And until then, have a great day. Bye.